Hello everyone, I want to introduce a new project car to the channel. It's a 1987 Bertone x19. I picked this up from a gentleman in Atlanta. Car's been sitting in the garage for about 8 years. Comes with a pretty cool story. So the previous owner had promised that he would get this back on the road, which he did, and I guess shortly after he did, he ended up parking it, and then just never got time to it, and it kind of just sat there. And then after a certain amount of time, a little worried to start it up again. So I went out to Atlanta, got on the trailer, put some air in the tires. Comes with about 30 years of receipts for everything that's been done to it. So overall, pretty good car. There's some rust, but nothing that bad. I grew up in upstate New York. Compared to any car that you would see out there that's even 5-10 years old, rust is pretty minimal. But I'm still unsure what I'm going to do with it. Don't know if I want to make a Cars and Coffee cruiser, just a nice driver I can take my wife out on dates to, or turn this into a race car. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do with it. I'm kind of leaning towards race car just because I like going fast, but I do have the MR2 to do that in. First thing will be to clean it, clean the outside, detail the outside, clean the interior, probably get the engine out. Unsure if I want to swap it. Thinking maybe a K motor, Hayabusa motor would be fun too. Maybe another 2ZZ. I think all three would fit. But I don't know. What do you guys think I should do with this? What do you guys want to see? I'll probably be filming everything along the way. This is kind of more going to be like a family project. My kids super excited about this car. They think it looks cool. And I don't know, kind of looks like a mini Cybertruck. So maybe it was ahead of its time. I don't know. Anyways, let me know what you think I should do with the car, what you'd like to see. And until next time.